What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. This video, I'm going to be showing you all how I take care of my natural hair. I just came out of a sew-in yesterday, so this is like my fresh out of a sew-in natural hair care routine. My hair is natural, so like back here and here, I've not had a relaxer. I do relax my edges. That's the only part that's relaxed, but the rest of this is unrelaxed. I haven't had a relaxer on this part of my hair for almost like 10 years now. I still consider myself natural even though I relax my edges because the majority of my hair is natural. Like, this is just how I maintain my hair. I'm showing you all the products that I use and how I'm able to keep my hair looking straight like this from just flat ironing it. But yeah, if you want to see how I take care of my hair fresh out of a sew-in, take care of my natural hair, keep on watching this video and I'm going to show you what I do. If you're new to my channel, definitely make sure you hit subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to stop rambling and get into the video. So I first want to start off by saying that washing your hair in a tub is not as easy as it seems. But the shampoo that I use is the Jamaican black castor oil. I think it's relatively new, so I'm going to link everything that I use in the description box below. But what I'm doing right now is just rinsing my hair, as you probably should before you put shampoo on it. And then yada yada yada, lather, rinse, repeat. I think I repeat this about like 3 times. I'm not going to show you all 3 times. I think you know what it looks like to lather your hair and rinse it out, but you get the point. Going to condition my hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican black conditioner, black castor oil. Anyways, it'll be linked below. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all in my hair, and I like to comb out or comb through it just to make sure it's like spread evenly before I go ahead and rinse it out. So this next step here is something relatively new that I tried. It's a leave-in conditioner by the same brand, the Shea Moisture Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I think I put a little too much. Okay, I think I put a lot too much because it made my hair kind of like cookie, if that makes sense. You know, when you put too much product on your hair. And it's leave-in. I probably should have rinsed it out. I mean, it's a leave-in conditioner, but probably should have rinsed some of it out. But it's all good. So now I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair and oil it up with another brand of black castor oil. I'll have that linked below too. And then I'm going to go through and blow dry my hair. So I blow dry my hair in sections because I feel like it's a lot easier for me to make sure, one, that it's all dry instead of trying to do it all at once. Yeah, so I'll just put on my heat protectant and my moisturizer like section per section, and then go through and just blow dry it. said I think I put a little too much leave-in conditioner in my hair is because it's kind of stiff. Like, it's supposed to have more movement, but it's okay because it actually wound up like evaporating or dissolving into my hair over like a week, and so now my hair isn't stiff like that anymore. So yeah. The next thing I'm gonna have to do now is flat iron my hair because I flat iron my hair. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't leave my hair curly. I don't do no bantu knots. I don't do no twist outs. I have to flat iron my hair. Now, if I'm getting another sew-in, which I usually do sew-ins back to back, if I'm getting another sew-in, I won't flat iron my hair, but because I'm giving my hair a break for a while, I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron it. Yeah, that's basically it for my whole entire hair care routine. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and that's it.